Just put toothpaste on the toilet paper and you'll never have this problem again. That's right, folks. I'm sure you've never used toilet paper this way before. But once you discover what it's for, I'm sure you want to give it a try. So the tip is really simple. You grab one roll of toilet paper. Then let's take a really big piece out of it. Then let's go ahead and fold it about 3 times. Once you're done, let's twist the paper like this. Twist it well so it becomes like a rope, you see? Check it out. This is how it's gonna look like. Alright, so now let's get some toothpaste. It can be any brand you have there. Then take a generous amount of toothpaste and spread it really well all over the toilet paper core we made. Make sure to spread all over it. Okay, once you're done, now we're gonna need a glass container. Here I'm using this bottle, but you can use any glass container. But I prefer using a bottle like this, because this is what we'll need to do. Leave one end inside the bottle, and most of it is sticky now. Now take a lighter or match and light up the end of the paper, but don't let it catch fire. After lighting it up, blow on it, because we don't need a fire here, just a slow burning paper. See the smoke coming now, folks? This smoke can do miracles against any flying insects. Flies, mosquitoes, bees, wasps. So this is a really cool tip you can make at home to keep all kinds of insects away, especially mosquitoes, and you can also make it if you're camping, traveling to the countryside, or even in the middle of vegetation. It is definitely gonna scare away any flying insects. But what's the purpose of toothpaste here? It helps reduce the smell of burning toilet paper a little bit. So you can make this and place it in the house, because you'll only smell the minty scent from the toothpaste. But of course, if you're in the middle of vegetation, you don't have to add it. You can just burn the paper and hold it as you walk, or even leave it somewhere near you. Then no insect is gonna bother you. So this is a very useful tip that I decided to share with you guys, which can definitely come in handy at some point. So there you have it. Try this at home, and I'm sure you'll really like the result.